Well, Christmas is over, and I know not too much over. It was just like yesterday. But one of the things that, as you are looking forward to the new year, I think that it's super important that you take a look at your closet and see what needs to be done. And mostly, I'm talking about uncluttering. The mess that sometimes happens, especially over the holidays, as you're wrapping presents and getting new things and putting things away, and sometimes we just leave our closets a mess. And so what I want to do is share a few tips with you that you can do right now before the new year hits to get your closet prepared to look and feel beautiful. Because I don't know about you, but when my closet and my space is uncluttered, just kind of makes me a little batty, you know? So I'm going to give you some tips today to walk into the new year feeling really proud of your closet and have a space that you can just walk into and feel peace about it. Because, you know, when you get dressed, you don't want everything a mess. You just kind of want to be able to pull the clothes that you want to wear and get dressed. So let's get started. Number one, I want you to look at your floor and look at what's strewn around the floor. So go ahead and pick those things up and put them in their proper place. Now, I'm specifically talking about shoes and boots that may have just sort of gotten strewn, is that a word? Strewn, thrown, something around the floor. And so do that. But while you're at it, before you put them completely away, look and see, do they need to go to the shoe repair? Do they need to be polished? Do you need to clean up the heel? Are they scuffed? Are they scuffed in the front? Are they scuffed on the sides? Are they even shoes or boots that are in style anymore that maybe it's like, you know what, it's time to get rid of these? Because remember, you don't need a ton of shoes and boots. You just need ones that are going to function well, that work right with your style, with your coloring. So try on your shoes and boots, get rid of them, move them off to the donate pile, and if they're not going to work, or give them maybe to a local shelter or somewhere that somebody can use them, but you don't need a whole bunch of them. But so do that before you put them away, and put them either in boxes, or if you don't have a box, like a clear box, maybe you want a clear box. I keep mine in my shoe boxes, and then I label the front of them so I know what they are. But maybe you need to think about getting the hanger that goes over the closet shoe. They have pockets in them so you can put your shoes there. Perhaps you want to get a rack that you can put at the back of your closet for your shoes, but that's what I want you to think of first. So let's get your shoes up off the floor, boots up off the floor, put away, so you've got a good space so you can even walk in there. One of the things that I think happens with our floors is sometimes we also tend to throw laundry. You know, like you take your shirt off and you put it and you go, and then it piles up. Consider getting a new hamper or laundry basket that's really pretty for your room. So you see it. I know I need a new one right now. Mine's just coming apart crazy. It's kind of wicker and it's like coming apart at the top. But let's get your laundry up off the floor too. And again, before you put it away, try it on. Make sure it fits, or it might need to go. Next, I want you to create some beauty in your closet. And I want you to do this by getting hangers that are matching. This is a great time to go shopping and get things on sale, and things like hangers and all that sort of thing. So all these stores are having their like after Christmas sales. Go get some hangers, or order them on Amazon, or do something like that. But get matching hangers. Go ahead and swap out the wire hangers, the wooden hangers, or the mishmash. Man, I'm not talking too well today, am I? The mishmash of hangers. They should all look alike. It will create beauty in your space for you. And so I want you to do that. Now, if you pick up an item to change out the clothing item and you think, boy, I haven't seen this in a while, try it on and see if you need to move it out. But when you hang your things back in your closet, I want you to not hang them the regular way, you know, like you would hang it right in, like, hello. Okay, so pretend I'm the hanger right here, I'm the rack. You hang them this way. I want you to hang them this way. So that way, when you wear an item, then you get to hang it back this way. But if the end of the season you have all of these hangers like open, the rack is right here, right? And they're open here, it's not hanging this way, it's hanging this way, then you know you didn't wear it. And that's a great way to keep track of what you're wearing and what you're not. So consider when you go to get that laundry basket or that over the clothes hanger shoe rack, pick up some nice hangers too. I like the felt kind, and you can easily find those. And the clothes don't slip off of them either. If they're kind of silky items, they don't slip off. So that's my favorite kind of hanger. Now, while you are hanging your things back in, this will be tip number 3 for you. While you're hanging your things back in, I want you to create some order to that. And I want you to hang your things by category. So short sleeve tops, long sleeve tops, pants, skirts, dresses, jackets, layering pieces. And once you start on that, I want you to also do it in color. So all your white tops, all your white short sleeve tops together, all your white graphic tees together, all your navy graphic tees together. You see what I mean? Hang things by color, first by category though. So don't confuse like, oh, I want all my white things together. So if it's a top or a blazer or whatever, no. Go by category first. So short sleeve tops by color, long sleeve tops by color. You see what I mean? And that way it's a great semblance of order. You look in and you know exactly what you have. Number 4, I know I've talked a lot about, trying things on, but if you don't want to try all your things on as you're, say, working on your hangers and you're working on organizing, then select categories of clothing. So maybe this weekend, you're only going to work with your jeans. So get your jeans out. I think it also helps when we kind of pare it down. You say, you know what, I'm going to work 15 minutes in my closet or 30 minutes, whatever. And that's just not so overwhelming. So let's say you're going to work with jeans this weekend. Take all your jeans out and try them on. Do they fit? Are they in style? Are they the right length? Do you have the right shoes to go with them? Do you have a belt if you need one to go with them? Is your belt not kind of, when you put it on, is it not kind of ratty? Now that would be a category for another day. Maybe you're going to work on all your accessories one day. But do that because it actually is very freeing when you can get in your closet and kind of look at category, and then it's just not really so overwhelming. Because if you think about having to pull all your things out of your closet today and try them all on, personally, I probably just wouldn't do it. I'd think of something else like a Hallmark movie to watch or something. But if I knew I'm just focusing on jeans today or pants today or skirts today, it's easy peasy. I think once you do these few couple of tips, it's really going to help you to feel refreshed and peaceful when you walk into your closet. And you'll also know what it is that you need and maybe what it is that you have too much of. So as we're heading into the new year, I hope that you will get your closet organized and get ready for spring because it's going to be here before you know it. I know some of you who are experiencing 20 inches of snow are saying, yeah, right, Shari, that's going to be a long way off, but it kind of gets you in the right frame of mind. And as we head into the new year, I pray that this is going to be a bountiful, blessed year for you, and that you have a good feeling of knowing that, you know what, God is in control of everything, and He's always going to work things out. So, love you, and I will see you next week. Have a great last week of 2020. Bye-bye.